Good morning. I really hate that I look 12. Today is day 6 of quarantine. I've been so bored. Let's go eat breakfast. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna need eggs. And we will also need strawberries. And the croissants. Yay, croissants. My croissant is badly cut eggs. Wow. I added pepper to my eggs because, I don't know, I eat it like that. Yay! Wow. Of course, I had to check if she ate. She is already almost done, so she'll just chill for now.
Hello.
Now I'm gonna get ready because I'm gonna try to get creative with taking senior portraits. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I managed to make it look like I have a bun. Hello. This is what Isabella from Animal Crossing wishes she would. I just curled my hair inward.
Because I'm still kind of shooting.
I need inspiration! So what makes this challenging is I don't have a tripod. Let's see. We have ran into another issue. I have no idea where my painter's tape is. Okay, I took this off the back of a photo posted on my wall. This is what it looks like. My brother has decided to help me take my portraits. Hello. Out of all of the photos my brother took, I only like one of them. So I'm currently making my little Hall of Fame thing. But yeah, look, I'm not even looking at the camera. Like, out of everything, I only like this. Hello. Then a hurricane came and devastation reigned. A man saw his future dripping down the drain. So it's been a whole 2 days since I last picked up the camera because I've been addicted to Animal Crossing. So for the remainder of this vlog, enjoy my Animal Crossing gameplay. Stay safe, wash your hands, eat healthily, drink water, and play Animal Crossing. Okay, I really hope that this is a good fish because I've been searching for good fish, but I can't find any. Like, I've been wanting a shark, but I'll take anything at this point. Anything other than a sea bass. Oh, that's a sturgeon. I wonder if I can. Oh my gosh, not the wasps. No. Oh, run, please, run. Don't bump into the rocks or the trees. I wonder if the dodo bird will help me. Please. No, he's just gonna stand there and stare at me. What a world we live in. Oh. You know what would be really sad is if... Can my Switch hear me? I was about to say, what if I get hit by wasps again because I forgot to pick up the nest to make the medicine. Oh no. Oh, okay, I'm really hoping that this is a shark. I've been searching for a shark for the past 2 hours, please. Feels promising.